We are inside a spacecraft. Not a warship. Not a loud exploration vessel. Just a small metal cabin with a thick window, enough to look outside. The spacecraft begins to leave Earth. There is no sudden jolt, no countdown, just a gentle push, and the familiar planet slowly drifts away. At an altitude of a few hundred kilometers, Earth's curvature becomes clearly visible. The oceans are no longer separate regions, but a single, continuous surface. Clouds no longer cover the view. They appear as thin streaks, drifting slowly. No borders, no nations, no visible sign that anyone lives there. Higher still, a few thousand kilometers, the atmosphere becomes a thin, glowing line, hugging the planet like a protective membrane. What once sustained life on Earth now looks fragile beyond belief. A layer so thin that if it vanished, every story below would end. 10,000 kilometers. Earth now fits entirely within the frame. A blue and white sphere quietly rotating. No sound. No chaos. Just a small object, drifting steadily through darkness. The spacecraft continues outward. 100,000 kilometers. The moon appears. Not glowing. Not radiant. Only reflecting sunlight passively. A gray surface. Dry. Scarred by ancient impacts. A world that has been silent for far too long. Leaving Earth's orbit, interplanetary space opens up. A vast emptiness beyond easy imagination. Nothing happens. And that is what unsettles the human mind. The sun begins to dominate the view. No longer a familiar object in the sky, but a massive source of energy around which everything in this system must revolve to survive. Venus drifts past. Beneath its thick clouds lies a trapped world. Temperatures hot enough to melt lead. Pressure capable of crushing familiar structures. Mars appears next. Smaller, colder, red, and empty. A planet that once had a chance, but slowly lost it. The spacecraft moves deeper into the asteroid belt. Fragments of rock drifting, moving slowly, like remnants of a structure never completed. Jupiter emerges, enormous. No solid ground, only storms, pressure, and gravity. If you fall into it, you do not hit the surface. You simply disappear. Saturn. Rings impossibly beautiful. Yet beauty here is not meant for life. Farther still, Uranus. Neptune. Cold worlds, far from the sun's light. And then, we leave the solar system. The sun becomes just another star, no longer the center. The planets vanish from view. 1 light year. No markers. No boundaries. 5 light years. Earth is no longer a dot, only a location once called home. Tens, hundreds of light years. The galaxy opens. Hundreds of billions of stars. Hundreds of billions of possibilities. At this distance, Earth was never special. Humanity is just a very small story. told on a warm grain of dust, floating in an infinite, cold universe. Follow the channel for the next story.